What's up, yo guys? So it's me, Aro, and we're just gonna do unboxing for today's video. So we got something from the Olive Young. So first, since I'm acne prone skin, I got this one. I haven't actually tried this before, but I think it's good since, you know, we all know that Korean products, they're really nice. They are known for, you know, skincare and effective skincare, I guess. So a lot of people usually buy skincare from Korea. So this one is the first product that we got. Product name is Red Blemish. So let's just unbox it. Honestly, hindi ko alam kung madadala ko ba lahat to kasi allowed ba to sa baggage? I think kung ito-check in baggage mo naman, pwede naman siya. So, this is... What is this? Yeah, this is a toner. We all need toner, guys. And this one, since I have a really bad, you know, like damaged hair, I got this one. It says, this is a protein treatment for extremely damaged hair. Since extremely damaged ang aking hair, kinuha ko to. I also need this because I'm gonna do my skincare here. Oh, this one. It's a cream with serum. So it's 1 plus 1. So 1 cream and then plus 1 cream. Then I got the free serum. So let's just unbox it. This is the same brand from the toner. The Red Blemish. Yeah, same brand with the toner that I showed you here. So this is the serum and the cream. This is the cream, and this is the serum. I hope you can see that. And this is another cream. The thing, guys, I was like kind of confused if this one is for morning and this one is for night, but I think it's just the same. You can use it at night and in the morning. I don't know. Maybe it's just the packaging, but it's the same use. So let's go to the next product. Oh, I got vitamins because here in Korea it's so cold and I need vitamins, so I got this. It says vitamin and mineral, so vitamin plus mineral. I can actually read Hangul, but I don't understand it, so it's kind of sucks. So if the word is English and it's written in Hangul, I can read that, I can understand it. But if it's English and then, if it's Hangul and then it's written in Hangul, then I don't understand it. I hope you get my point. I got this one. I think it's a pimple patch. Yeah, it's a pimple patch and a scar cover patch. Well, I don't know what it is, but let's just open it so we can find out what's inside. Oh yeah, it's a pimple patch. I'm so right. Let's check the other one. It says scar cover spot patch. Yeah. A pimple patch too? Or I think this is the upgraded pimple patch because it says that it's waterproof and invisible, medical grade, blemish care. I hope you can see that, but yeah, I don't have so much time to explain, but I think this is the upgraded one. Okay, let's go to the next product. Oh yeah, I need this because I don't have any sponge anymore. My sponge makeup, I've been like using that like a long time. Been a long time, so I need to get another one, and I need to throw that away because it's so dirty now. I don't want to get more pimples because of, you know, dirty sponge. What else do we have? Oh, this one. I need this. This is foam cleanser. It has salicylic acid and centella. I don't know how to pronounce that actually. Kasi baka i-bash nyo ako kapag pinilit kong i-pronounce pa. Pero ito na yun. Basta ito na yun. Search nyo na lang. And I got this one. Kasi diba, like, if you're like washing your face, just, you know, your bare hands, parang you can't fully wash it properly. So you need to have this. So lahat ng mga kung ano-anong dirt sa pagmumukha natin matanggal. And this is the solution. Aside from cleansing and anything, you need to have this. So I was in front of Olive Young, and then I already got everything that I think I need. And then when we went outside, my aunt needs to go home because she's gonna get her car. And then while we're waiting outside, I saw this, like, it says that it's the best selling. So I was like, I need to go back. I need to get it. So we went back and I get this. I think I saw it a lot of times from TikTok, and I didn't buy this because it's actually kind of expensive. But it's also expensive here in Korea. I think I bought it like $20+. Oh, there you go. This is the blemish pad. Oh yeah, this is the whole product inside. So yeah, the tong and then the product. I actually think I got 2 of this. Oh, I have another more, which is, I think this is for the travel purpose. If ever that you want to use this and you don't want to bring the whole bags, then they have a travel friendly this, which is this pouch. So what else do we have here? And they have another more actually, which is this one. So they have just one box like this, and once you already consume everything inside, then you have another spare box where you can put it here. And then yeah, I think that's all I got. But I'm actually not yet done getting all of my skincare, because maybe tomorrow or this week I'm gonna get more. Anyways, that's all. Thank you.